Question number 35. A battery with internal resistance is connected to a fixed resistor, ammeter, voltmeter. The circuit is shown. The battery is replaced by a different battery that has the same e.m.f but a greater internal resistance. What happens to the readings on the ammeter and the voltmeter? That is the question. So towards it, so initially when you had this battery, then let us say this is your internal resistance R, this is your capital R over here. The current that passes through the ammeter is given by I is equal to V divided by R plus R. Okay, and the voltmeter will record, let me call this voltage as V2 is equal to I into capital R. This is what is the first one. Okay, let me write number 1. The second case, if you are replacing this with a new battery, and then what is he having? He says it has the same e.m.f but greater internal resistance. Now again, I will use the same formula once again. Okay, so now this time I will be having this as V divided by R plus R2. Here it is R1 and here it is R2 over here. Now, since R2 is greater than R1, what will happen? You can see the current I2, this will be your I2, this will be your I1. This I2 will be less than I1, right? So, ammeter reading will decrease over here. Now, in a similar way, when the ammeter reading decreases over here, this V2 dash that we have over here will also start decreasing over here, right? V2 dash should be equal to I2 into R. So, since this decreases, because this is not decreasing, therefore, this should also decrease. Thus, voltmeter reading will also decrease. So, the correct answer is ammeter reading decreases, voltmeter reading decreases. Answer A.